Hey, how's everybody doing today? We want to show you how to install an audio track within your Canva video project. And we also want to show you how to complete a recording with audio within your Canva video project. Okay, so there's a couple ways that you can install audio, and we hope this helps. Here we go. All right, the first thing we want to do is show you how to install a recording from an outside video recorder app. So let's hit upload at the bottom here. We'll click on audio. If you already have test files within that you've uploaded from the video recorder app, you just go in here, select the file, and upload it. Okay, and it'll pop up right in your video feed. Okay, within Canva. If not, you go to your voice recorder that you've installed. I went to the Google Play Store, typed in voice recorder, and installed this particular voice recorder app. All right. If you have an iPhone, you can go to the Apple Store to do so. So you go in here, hit the record button, set up a sample recording, hit stop, name it. We'll call it test 2. All right, it'll show you where that it's being stored within your phone. It's at file and then slash blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's go back out. Let's go back in Canva. Select the file. Boom, and it pops it in your video. Now, if you don't know how to install or upload the files, what you want to do is go back out here, click upload. Okay. Go to your device or wherever the files are loaded. In mine, we'll go to the menu there. We'll hit audio. In mine, it will be listed under unknown recorders. Boom, and there's the file. You just select the file and it'll upload it to your Canva. So this is the way that you install an audio track within your Canva project. So now let's go out. Let's go back to Canva. Back up. All right. Now let me show you how to set up a video recording with audio attached. All right. So let's click upload. Now let's go to video. Now let's click record yourself. As you can see, we've got the video right here, that window. All right. You can turn the video off by hitting the camera. Let's turn it back on. Then you hit record. Testing, testing. This is a test video for my Canva project. Hit done. Let's test it out. Testing, testing. This is a test video for my Canva project. And there you have it. This is how you can install audio tracks within your Canva video, using video and installing a file for strictly the audio track. Thank you. I hope this helps. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. We appreciate you. This helps us out and helps us to provide you with more free content. Appreciate you.